Woo! Hey guys, welcome back to Making It. Today we're doing a little camping recipe, special fun, little tips to have you cook successfully out in the great outdoors. We're gonna be making a little sausage, potato, egg and cheese breakfast burrito. All right, anytime burrito, who we fooling? Real simple cooking. Before we get going, let's get into some ingredients, all right? Just because we're out in the woods doesn't mean we're not gonna do a little shrine. All right, I got my little kitchen here. All right, first off, we got our pork fat, beautiful. Animal fat, big fan. Cooking with the animal fat. And we got our pre-mixed eggs. A little bit of smoked paprika, a little bit of seasoning in there. And I just blended them up, scrambled, ready to go. Diced onions and some cooked potatoes. These are canned potatoes. Diced canned potatoes, secret weapon. I salted them and let them drain in a colander, get them kind of dry. And we're gonna cook those up in the skillet. A little salsa verde, a little hot sauce from Laurent. And then here we got some lamb sausage, maple syrup, sage, and some smoked paprika. All right, I got them wrapped up in individual little plastics. You can do this ahead of time. You can even freeze them and throw them in your backpack or whatever in your cooler, and then let them defrost when you're ready to use them. Clean hands, easy, boom, right in the skillet. American cheese. Land O'Lakes, the finest American cheese in my opinion. Some salt. Oh, look at this over here, buddy. We got some beans cooking in pork fat over here. Little pinto beans. We're gonna add those right in with the potatoes and stuff. Last but not least, you need some little flour tortillas for your burrito. And we're gonna heat those up on that hot slate right there. All right, let's get it cooking. All right, I'm gonna add a little pork fat to our cast iron pan. Decent amount of little fat. We're gonna hit it with some potatoes and some onions. Easy, easy day. I got my little spatula turner, multi-tool extraordinaire. Keep an eye on those. Let's throw some beans in. Not a lot, just a little bit. All right, you hang out over there, beanie. And look, we got a nice little thing. I got my hot slate up here, lathered in a little pork fat. That's gonna become a cooking surface that we're gonna be seeing more. I'm gonna be doing a little more cooking out here. I like this. Let's open up a little sausage. I'm gonna throw that right on the steel. I don't like using single-use plastic too much. But when you're in the woods, washing your hands is an issue, all right? Sometimes this is already seasoned. Like I said, it's got some smoked paprika, a lot of maple syrup, some sage from the Gagnon that I dried last year. We'll be doing that again. That's gonna be our little sausage log, right in the burrito. All right, we're cooking now, bud. Beautiful. Yeah, so what I got set up here, which is nice, is what I call like a little multi kind of leveled zoned out fire. We got our main source under here. I got a nice piece of slate, piece of stainless steel, and 2 flat pieces of like cinder block. You can use stone to elevate your cooking surface, all right? I like to find a spot you can build a nice little cooking spot that you can come back to. This happens to be in my backyard, which is great. Come back here with the kids, we cook, everyone has a good time. So I like to do, also you can use the leather ones or these little super heat resistant gloves. Good to have around the campfire. Cook with, you know, you're not burning your hands. Our potatoes, our beans, getting nice and caramelized, crisped up in that pork, in that pork fat. Look at our sausage. Looking real nice. I'm gonna crisp up all the sides. And then you know what, I'll probably chop it up and put it into the mixture maybe. That sounds good. Whoo, yeah. We'll add our eggs in just a minute. We don't have to make just hot dogs and hamburgers. Grilled cheese, nothing wrong with that. But think about it, what it really is all about is setting yourself up. Do the prep, do the hard work, do the mise en place, the knife work, you know, cutting board, what are you gonna do? You got a little piece of thing in or this is a luxury. But you know what I'm saying? Think about it. You're going in the woods. You wanna enjoy yourself, not just work all the time, right? Even though you're gonna be, but you try to make it so you can have a little, you wanna enjoy yourself. And look at us, we're eating like kings out here. Look at these little lamb breakfast sausages. Come on, I don't make you happy. I can't help you. All right, let's bring one to the board. Yeah, get right in there. Are you kidding me? We'll let this one hang out. That might just be a little saucy snack for us, Bob. All right, let's go with the eggs. We're going in, a little bit more pork fat. Just like you would use butter, pork fat, all right? Looks like a lot, it's not. It's good for you. Don't even worry about it. That mixing with the lamb fat, the beans, the onions, the potatoes. Yeah, hitting the eggs. This is 6, just so you know, I did the math for you. You wanna do 6 scrambled eggs, it fits in a pint container. Yep. And then what I like to do, again, this is hot, but not super crazy hot because you can burn your eggs. So it's good to have zones. But I like to treat it kind of like an omelet, but we're never gonna flip it. Every now and then you want to just go scraping and kind of scramble in the center, breaking up anything that might be burning. Little cowboy scramble. And let's do a little tortilla tester. See if our slate's getting hot enough. Oh yeah, things are getting good in here. Oh, this is gonna be a burrito. Everyone's gonna be lining up at our campsite. Are you kidding me? You don't even have to be out in the middle of nowhere. No one will even be near us. But if you got a bunch of people around, you start cooking this up, you're gonna make friends real quick. Whether you like it or not. Who's he yelling at? Why is he always yelling? Shut up! Yeah, we're getting there. Might want to do 2 at a time. Ooh, it might be a little hotter there. Look at that. Let's throw another little Piggly Wiggly in there. Yeah, cooking on the stone. Oh, we're gonna cook fish on this. I like this. I'm gonna outfit this. I'm gonna get involved. Coming soon to a Making It near you. We're gonna redo this kitchen a bit. Maybe I'll get Ian to come here and film me just building it. We'll get the slate. Nice, nice, nice. Do the little flippy flip, the little scramble flip. The little burrito flip. Watch this. It's all gonna come together here, Chuck. This is my favorite cast iron too. Got this one from Cast Iron Kyle. You might have seen him from Local Legends, season 1, fixing up old cast irons, but that's where we got this bad boy. Let's get the cheese on there.
That's exactly what I recommend.
Tortilla check. Oh yeah, buddy, look at that. Oh, these are gonna be so good. Time is of the essence. Little Land O'Lakes, man. Best American cheese. Ever since I was, get this off me. Ever since I was a little boy. Never really liked American cheese, but I liked Land O'Lakes one. I melt that on there. Good for a burrito. You hang out over here. This one's getting a little too hot. Paper plate, yeah, I know. Just gonna help me melt the cheese and then we're gonna eat on it. Big whoop. All right, let's get ready to eat, bud. A little breakfast. Me and you, before we go on a nice big hike. Pull up a cinder block. We'll stay a while. Oh my God. Oh my God. Lamb breakfast sausage, underrated. Recipe coming soon, but it's just maple syrup, I'll tell you right now. Maple syrup, dried sage, smoked paprika, salt, and garlic powder, duh. Oh my God, it's so good, Ian. All right, let's do it. Order up. Uncle Ian, your burrito here, I'll do you nice, watch this. What'd you say, sausage, potato, egg, and cheese? In the middle of nowhere. And what's nice about the canned potatoes, I mean, you could just boil your own at home, but they're done. They're cooked perfect. They're ready to go. I like to do a little tuck the tips in, and then do the big fold. Tuck them in, walk it through, tuck in any loose ends, and then you got nice burritos ready to go. Little breakfast jammers. Wrap them up in tin foil, throw them in your backpack, eat them at room temp at the summit or in the canoe. Smoke in my eye. Let me pull this off the heat, pop it up here, see what we're working with. Now, you're done, you're ready to go. I would wrap this thing up in foil. Like I said, you make 25 of them, you're good all day. You know how it is. Who cuts a burrito? I'm gonna right now. Look at that. Would you look at that? Wow. I outdid myself this time. That's better than most breakfast tacos I've had down in Texas. Hell. Oh, and here, buddy. Come on. It's got you written all over it, dude.
Whoa, that's a nice little...
I'm even hungry. It's so good. Yeah.
Perfect.
And our lamb sausage, juicy, delicious. I'm coming right to you. Here, put one of those on there. Oh yeah. All right, guys, thanks for hanging out with me at the campfire. Make you some breakfast. Hopefully you get out in the woods, cook for yourself, cook for some friends. Make some burritos. Leftovers from the night before, cut them up and throw them in your burrito. But honestly, the biggest tip is to kind of do as much prep as you can ahead of time. I love cooking in the woods, but it's all about getting it done at home. So when you get there, it's easy. You're just cooking. You're not fooling around. You're not making a mess. You know where everything is. And then we're eating freaking breakfast burritos, making fires. We're gonna go swimming now. Let's go swimming, Ian. Gotta start getting some campfire guests. Getting lonely, cooking in the wood by myself. I guess it's not that bad. Got burritos. I love potatoes, man. Potato and egg, underrated. This feels really good, like really good. Ian, can you take my shoes off? Ian. Peggy, Ma, anybody. I can't reach them. The earth's energy has me pinned, has me down like Tyson knocked me in the face. Shut the fuck up.